Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A15 black screen problem. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let's say that my Samsung Galaxy phone got black screen problem, and I'm going to show you two methods we can try to fix the black screen problem. The first method you can try is turning off your phone or restarting your phone. You can long press on your power button for about maybe 10 until 15 seconds, and then you can click on the power off and you're going to turn off your phone, or you can click on the restart button to restart your Samsung Galaxy phone. And then the second method you can try is activating the saving mode or save mode. You can long press again on your power button, and then you can tap and hold on this option just like this, and then the save mode will be activated. Tap again to restart your phone in save mode. You just need to click on this icon, and then your phone will be restarted automatically. Alright guys, and that's all the way to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 black screen problem. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.